My friends, listen carefully as I share an important story about online safety and risks. We'll explore the fine line between trust and caution in the complex world of internet scams. If you've fallen prey to online fraud, fear not. Now is the time to awaken the fierce warrior within you. Imagine yourself trapped in a pit of inky blackness, every shadow a potential threat. The first step is to embrace this truth. Remember, becoming a victim isn't your weakness, but rather the cunning of those silver-tongued foxes who can ensnare anyone in their web of deceit. The moment you fall victim, you are gifted a golden hour, a fleeting precious time when you can turn the tables on your attackers. Without wasting a heartbeat, call your bank or credit card company. Tell them your story. Demand they take swift action. Let your voice tremble with urgency, but never with defeat. If you've surrendered your personal information to these digital vampires, it's time to strengthen the walls of your online fortress. Change every password as if you're shedding an old skin and emerging anew. If your Aadhaar number or other sensitive details have been compromised, stay vigilant and adopt every possible security measure. Let each new safeguard be an armor against future attacks. Dial 1930 and awaken the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. Your single complaint could not only save you, but shield countless innocent souls from falling into the same treacherous pit. Alert your local police and cybercrime cell. Your swift action could spark a wave of protection, saving lives you'll never even know. Remember, my dear, falling victim to a scam is no cause for shame. It's an experience that can forge you into something stronger, more resilient. Open your heart to your loved ones. Let your story flow from your lips. Their support will be the light that guides you from the darkness of isolation, filling you with renewed strength and purpose. If you find yourself caught in a tempest of emotions, don't hesitate to seek the embrace of an expert. A counselor can be your anchor in these stormy waters, helping you navigate back to calmer seas. Remember, asking for help isn't weakness. It's the mark of a true warrior. You're not alone in this battle, my fierce friends. Thousands have walked this treacherous path before you and emerged victorious. It may be a long and arduous journey, but each step will bring you closer to a new dawn, a rebirth of your digital self. Thank you, my courageous companions. Until our next encounter, stay vigilant, stay safe. Share your experiences and save others from this dangerous web. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, my dears. Press that little bell icon so you never miss a new video. Remember, to become a lion in this digital jungle, you must stay connected with us. And may your online adventures be thrilling, but always safe.